everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to file an amended tax return on Turbotax in just a few simple steps. Whether you made a mistake, forgot to report income, or need to update deductions, I've got you covered. So make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any important details. And if this video helps you, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tax-related tips. Before you begin, here are some important things to know. Only amend your return if it's already been accepted by the IRS. If you're getting a refund, wait for it to be issued first before filing an amendment, and amendments can take up to 16 weeks to process by the IRS. If you're sure that you need to amend your return, let's move on. Open your browser and go to the TurboTax website. Click on the sign at the top right and enter your username and password. Once you're in, go to your TurboTax home dashboard. Click on the Your Tax Returns and Documents and choose the year you need to amend. If you filed with TurboTax online, click Amend Return. If you use TurboTax Desktop, open your return in the software and select Amend a filed return. Now you can make necessary corrections, edit your income, deductions, or credits. If you forgot to include something, add missing tax information such as W2 or 1099, fix errors like an incorrect filing status or dependent information. TurboTax will guide you through the process and automatically fill out Form 1040X, which is required for amendments. After making changes, double check everything to make sure it's accurate, and TurboTax will generate Form 1040X, which summarizes the changes. Choose how you want to file, such as e-file or print and mail. If you need to mail your amendment, send it to the correct IRS address listed on Form 1040X instructions. After filing, you can track your amendment return using the IRS Where's My Amendment Return tool. So in that website, enter your SSN, date of birth, and zip code to check the status. Processing usually takes up to 12 to 16 weeks, so be patient. And that's it. That's how you file an amendment tax return on TurboTax.